Hi guys, Melissa here. I'm going to show you guys one of my signature looks for on the go. You can actually do this with wet or dry hair. We all know those times where we think we're going to have time to blow dry our hair, wash our hair in the morning, and the time gets away from us and we're like, holy smokes, I have to go. So this is a great look that you can wear either dropping your kids off to school, out on a Friday night, or even to a wedding that you had to decide to go to last minute. So I'm going to use the bodybuilder. Like I said, you can do this right out of the shower wet too. I like to have fun with it and spray it all over. This is a volumizing mousse from Kevin Murphy. It's very moisturizing. That's why I like it. Then you're going to comb your hair back. It's not going to make your hair greasy, but it's going to help with all your little flyaways. Right now I have a lot of little hairs going on because I have a 4.5-month-old daughter that you might hear make an appearance in a second. She's on the ground next to me, so I'm getting ready for work and we've got to be at the door in 15 minutes, and this just is an easy to go style. So because you have the mousse, it allows you to really do like a slick ponytail here. If you have a lot of baby or like short layers, you can go ahead and spray a little bit on your ponytail, and that will help those layers stay in, especially once if you're going from wet right out of the shower as your hair dries, it will hold it nice. So once you have like that, you're going to twist it, and you're going to keep twisting until it's in a tight ponytail, and then you're going to wrap it around until it gets into a bun. Perfect. And then you can see I have about 6 Invisibobbles on my wrist, so I'm just going to put it into a tight bun. You want to make it really, really tight. Yeah, don't adjust your volume. That is not a pterodactyl. That is my 4.5-month-old daughter on the ground right now, Ava. So as you guys can see, that's really quick, easy, paired with a beautiful statement necklace. You don't even need to wear a lot of makeup with it. If you want to do more heavy makeup, I would suggest going with maybe hoop earrings and not a necklace, but it's really easy to go, easy style. If you have some flyaways, use a little bit of your session spray around the sides. Really make sure that those sideburns stay nice. And that's it, guys. That's my easy bun, my go-to move when I want to look classy, I kind of want to look fashionable, and I have absolutely no time. I love you, bombshells. Until next time, bye.